looks like shotgun. 12. 2 3/4 double up buck. $42.99. 3-inch. $27.99. 16 gauge. $21.99. Wow, man. Got a lot of 16 gauge up here. 25, 24.
Yeah, he's spinning wine.
Wow. 12s, 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 12, 12, Brownie, $29.99. There's this one, Rio, $18.99. These are all 12 gauge. There's 20 gauge down here. Boy, 20. Here's a 5 turkey, 20 gauge, $15.99. $8.99 for Federal, $18.99. Oh, here's these Monarchs that our buddy Tools and Target bought because he liked the box. And they're at $11.99. Look at this, $39.99 for 5. 40 bucks for 5 of them. Dude. There's buckshot down here. Oh, look at this. 410. 10, I don't see a price on it. 12, 12, and there's 20, and 12, and 12. What's this down here? That 12 gauge for $11.99. Let's see what's on the other side. More shotgun. Look at all this 12. Here you go, 20 gauge, 50 bucks. 3-inch mags. Wow. Nice. You got 12, 12, 12. Oh, here's a cool looking one. Look at this waterfowl. Right here. What's that at? $26.99. Remington.
Yeah, it would mean a lot to just try and figure that place out and kill one over
Winchester. Okay, dudes. Here's a 12 gauge, 3-inch, $15.50, $34.99. You got 3.5. Now that's what I shoot, 3.5. $15.50, $34.99. Heavy steel, $26.99. The Black Cloud, guys, right there. 3-inch, $14.50. $39.99. Let's look over here. Oh, they've got a ton over here. 22 Hornet, $79.99. 22 Hornet, $79.99. 224 Valkyrie. Here's some 22 250, 30 bucks. 22 250 for 40 bucks. 22 250 for 36. 220 Swift, 45. 222 Remington, 223. Okay, we got a whole bunch of 223. 25/6. 270. Holy, 80 bucks for 270. Here's 270 WSM. WSM, dude, Austin, if you're watching this, this is in Utah. Come and get it. Right here at Smith and Edwards. 70 bucks though. 270 win, 270 win, 270 win, 270 win, 270 win, 270 win, 30/30, 30/30, 3030. This is that HSM crud. I don't like HSM. You guys know why. 40 bucks for 3030. 3030, 3030. And it looks like the Lever Evolution for 3030. There you go. Lever Evolution. 40 bucks. 50 bucks. 50 bucks. This is OT6 though. OT6, 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 OT6. Browning OT6, 50 bucks. 35, 44, 40, 40. Hornady, 50. 34.99, 34.99, 34.99. Lots. Oh, here's one, 29.99 for cellular and Bellet. 39.49, and then you got like some odds and ends down here. It looks like bronze, 50 cal, 64.99. Some Nosler. Oh, here you go, 6.5 300 Weatherby. That's what I bought for 60 bucks. 84.99. 300 Weatherby mag, 120. 30 Nosler is 100 bucks. 28 Nosler, 100 bucks. 26 Nosler's 100 bucks. 22 Nosler's 40. PRC, PRC, mag, 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 60 bucks, 45, 54, 40. Here's 6.8 Western for 70. Nice. 6.5 PRC, 6.5 PRC, 6.5 PRC, 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 Creedmoor, 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 Creedmoor. Got a lot of Creedmoor down here. Even got some Sierra Game Kings. Creedmoor, 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 Creedmoor. Holy moly, Creedmoor, Creedmoor. 243, 40 bucks. 243 HSM. 28.99, 34.99, 59.99, 34.99, 34.99, 34.99, 50 bucks, 35 HSM. Once again, 223, 25. So there's all your 223s down here. I don't shoot 223 either. 300 blackouts, I don't shoot those. There's 5.56, 223. This one's $12.99. HSM 223. They're 30 bucks. 7.62. Now that's a price that I can get behind right there. $14.99. Might have to get one of those. Sig Sauer, 308, 308, 308, 50 bucks, 308, Federal, 35, 308, 308, 308, 308, 308, 308, 308 from Nosler, 45, 300 Win Mag is 50, 300 Win Mag is 50, 300 Win Mag is 65, 50. Copper Impact, 60. That doesn't have a price. 300 Win Mag from Browning is 50. Then you got Federal 300 Win is 50, 59.99. This Core-Lokt is $44.99. What's this one? Oh, look, 300 Weatherby Mag, $109.99. 110 bucks. 338 Rapua over here. 300 PRC, 60, 300 PRC is 70, 300 PRC for 70. Hey look, 300 WSM, 180 grain Swift Sirocco. That one's 70 bucks. 3378 Weatherby is 150, 375 H&H, 100 bucks. I'm kind of interested in this 375 H&H. 100 bucks is pretty expensive though. 35 Welland, 70 bucks. 303 British, 303 British, 450 Bushmaster. And then we got more 450 Bushmaster, 60, 50, 350 Legend, 38, 22, 37, 308 again. Lots of 308 everywhere. There's 308 being tipped for $49.99. That 308, this is that HSN. 762 by 54R is 30 bucks. 308 Winchester, 40 bucks. 308 Win, 762 by 39. Now I got some PMC bronze, 762 by 39, $24.99. 65 Grendel, 35. 65 by 55 Swedish, 70 bucks. And then you're into 223 again. Then you got 6mm arc, 6mm arc. Those are 35 and 45 respectively. 6mm arc for 35. Creedmoor, Creedmoor, Creedmoor. Let's see what's on the other side. 80, 380, 380, 380. 380, 32 auto for $34.99, 5.7 by 28. My son has that, 50 bucks. $59.99, 5.7 by 28. 25 autos, 35. 30 super carries, 35. 30 super carries, 30. 38, 45. 38 special for 40. There's those shot shells for 40 S&W, 27 bucks. 41 mag, shot shells. 44 special for 35. 44 special bronze. 44 special 50. 44 mags 80. PMC 44 mag is 30. 44 mag for 60, mag for 60, mag for 60. 45 Colt is 80. 45 Colt, 45 Colt, 45 Colt in Blazer. Probably aluminum, yep, aluminum case. 90 bucks, dude. Oh, kill me now. 45 Colt, 70. 45 Colt for 70. 45 Colt for 65, 454 Cazul for 50, 454 Cazul, 460 Smith & Wesson. I want a 460, 80 bucks. And what do we got here? Nines. We got tons of nines. Okay, you guys, look at the prices. MagTech, $19.99. Federal, 20 bucks. Federal. These are all 9mm. 50 bucks. 20 bucks. 90 bucks. 40 bucks. 25. ASP. $17.99. There's one that's a decent price. $14.99. 9mm. 9mm. We got, look, a whole entire shelf. 9mm. Tons and tons and tons. 9mm. Here's your HSM, $16.99. 45 ACP, 45, 45, 45. These are all 45 auto. 45 auto. Holy cow, 45 auto, 40 bucks. 45 auto for $100, but it's 150 rounds. 45 auto, 40, 80, 32, 29. They got a ton of 45 auto. It's like shelves, miles and shelves of 45 auto. 45, 45, 45, 9, 38 special, 34.99, 38 special, 38 special, 38 special, 38, 38. Okay, now we're down here. 357, 35, 45. These are just reloading bullets to reload with. Down here you got 10. Blazer again, aluminum case, 35. Look at that. We got 10 Winchester Defender for 45. That's a good looking bullet right there. And then you got FMJ Cellular and Bellet for 35. Sig Sauer for 30. Winchester for 50. And then we're into 9 again. Can you believe it? $30. 40 is 35. 40 is 20. 40 for 35. Sig Sauer for 25. Dynamics. Hornady. Smith & Wesson. Hornady. Down here, got Browning. Federal. Sig Sauer. I don't know what this is. 40 S&W. That's kind of a cool box. $20. 40. 35. Okay, here's this. Critical Defense. You got 40 S&W Winchester Defender. 40 S&W 26. 40, 40, 40, Liberty. This is good stuff right here. This Liberty is $40. And then we got more 40 on the bottom for 35. 40, 150 pack for $90, dudes. All right, well that's all the ammo. They got miles and miles of guns in here. Wow. Scopes in the counter. Red dots. Loopholes. Vortex. Some more loopholes down here. Here's some spotting scopes. And of course, machine guns. Gotta have a machine gun. Oh, and this place actually has a ton of powder. Look at all the powder down there. I need that 4198 IMR. Cool. Oh, look. They've even got primers. Limit 2 per person. And primers are like, let's zoom in. Not cheap. They're like $10. $10 a box for primers. That one's $8.99 for the pink and blue box. $14.99 for those. Okay, so this is my score from Smith & Edwards. Winchester 7.62 by 51. This stuff right here, you see that? Even at Walmart, it's $22.99 now. Smith & Edwards was $14.99. Years ago, before the pandemic even was a thing, I used to buy this at Walmart for $14.99. So I thought, $14.99, I'm gonna pick up a box. It's a good deal. Don't really need it, but it's good ammo, and why not? $14.99. So you guys have a fantastic day. You know I did. We'll see you next time.